it again.
Yay!
Because I'm not making this one huge 3-hour long.
Well, I guess we'll. When are you guys gonna record again?
Oh, I'm recording it right now.
Oh, you're gonna like basically you're just gonna do like these points where you just like record for about 10 minutes and then like turn it off, then come back to recording.
Alright, let me show you.
You know, that's usually how like the Game Grumps like record actually.
Alright, you want to see what this weapon does?
Turns people into lizards.
No.
Or spills their gizzards. Oh, it just destroys everything in sight. Okay, that wasn't as fun. That's not as funny though.
It's the best weapon.
Yeah, but why couldn't the best weapon in the game be fart in a jar?
Right now I'm trying to demonstrate what each of these weapons do.
Like in game for your friend or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, what's with all these Yoshis, robotic Yoshis running around? I mean, I'm not wrong for calling them, like, robotic Yoshis, right? They genuinely do look like Yoshis.
I can't see anything.
Why can't you see anything?
I don't know. I'll be right back.
Mousers. I'm like TMNT or whatever.
Oh, no, now I do. Yay!
Okay.
Back here. We want to munch. Let us munch. Let us munch on your Link's body.
Alright.
I ate that Sam I am. And that's the Sukin blow. God, I used up all my best jokes. What have I done? What have I done?
My mic weird.
That's a 9.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my friend. Why do you have flying Ratchet heads all over
These
you
things
now?
will block bullets if fired at me, and will attack enemies if they get close.
Bullets? I thought this was a kid's game. But then again, people consider Call of Duty a kid's game, so what am I to say?
What?
I mean, like, it's nothing but 12-year-olds playing that, so I'm pretty sure it's a kid's game.
What's the last?
Bomb glove? That doesn't sound safe.
Oh, I already used that earlier.
How late am I gonna stay up?
Glove of Doom?
Yo, should I stay up all night?
If your mom allows that, sure.
Okay.
Gotta get permission from your mother, Stan.
Oh wait, I can grasp this. Wait, what?
Also, which Ratchet game is this? The first or the... Oh, okay. I've heard they start to get, like, edgy over time.
Not really, no. They actually get more friendly.
Didn't like one of the later games have like a reference to like hot coffee from GT? Wait, no, that's like that other game like Jackson Daxter, I think.
No, you're thinking of Super Meat Boy.
Super Meat Boy.
Can I not do cooking?
Super Meat Boy had a, well, not Super Meat Boy, but the Meat Boy prototype had a hot shot. Alright, now what weapon shall I buy?
No, nah.
So have you heard of the game Wheelie Steely Automobile?
That was funny. No, I have not.
Basically, it is 1930s GTA.
Sounds fun.
Yeah. It is.
Can I do this?
You know what? That would be really funny, actually, if they made a GTA game that took place in the, like, 40s, and you just played against, like, mobsters.
Alright, time to stop the recording again.